to Visionlink. If you don't have a login, please contact product_applications@yancybros.com for help setting that up. In this video, we will cover how to use Visionlink Administrator. Administrator is only available to users within your company with administrator permissions. Please contact your product support rep or product_applications@yancybros.com to set up the correct user authorities within your company. In Administrator, you will be able to edit asset settings, create groups, generate notifications, and manage reports. You can get to Visionlink Administrator from any other application by clicking on the icon with 9 small boxes in the top right corner, then selecting Administrator. The Asset Settings tab allows you to edit parameters for a specific device. Search for the specific asset in the search box and select the serial number. To edit the machine, click the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Configure. From there, you'll be able to edit all available parameters of the asset, including the asset ID and hour meter. The Group tab allows you to create groups of specific assets that you will be able to use as a filter option across other Visionlink applications. To create a new one, click Add New Group in the Groups box. Give it a name. You will be able to select the assets you'd like to add to the group and move them into the Selected Assets box to the right. Going forward, this group of assets will be available in your account. On the dashboard of the other applications, you can click the globe next to any widget and filter by the group you created. The Notification tab allows you to generate a notification from your fleet when a specific action occurs, like fault codes, asset status, and maintenance. To generate a notification, click Add New Notification. From there, you'll be prompted to name the notification. You will then select the notification type and parameters in which you would like the notification triggered. Select the assets you wish to add to the group and move them into the Selected Assets box to the right. Add the email address or phone number of the contact you would like to receive the notification per the instructions under the Select Recipients box and click Save. The Report tab allows you to generate, edit, or remove reports that have been created within the Visionlink applications. To edit a report, select the report you would like to modify and adjust the parameters by clicking the 3 dots at the top right corner and selecting Edit. To delete the report, select and highlight the report. Then click the 3 dots in the top right corner and click Delete. If you have any questions or need any extra help navigating Visionlink Administrator, please email product_applications@yancybros.com.